So in this video we are checking what is extrude. Okay, so right now you can see I have a cube. I will hit tab and I will go to edit mode. I will hit Control R so that I can add the edge loop. So these and all we will check later. So how to add edge loop and all. So Control R, left click, then right click. Then I will hit 2 so that I will go to edge selection mode. It is not number pad 2, the normal 2 which is present above the letters. I will select this edge, hit G, then Z. I will make it up. Then I will hit Control R. Here I will bring the cursor here. Then I will scroll, left click, then right click. So now you can see I got this kind of shape. Okay. Now this is just a shape I created. Now we will check what exactly the extrude things and all. So in order to add an extra geometry to your mesh, we are using the extrude. Okay. So this is the extrude tool. Okay. By default, extrude region is selected. So what is that? So what I will do, I will hit 3, then I will select this. Okay, this face. Now you can see I got one extra option here. If I click and move this one, you can see I got extra geometry, right? I will hit Control Z. Then what I will do, I will select multiple faces by holding Shift. I'm selecting like this. So now you can see basically extrude region means, so whatever you selected, so it will get the normal of that face and it will get the average of that face, and along that average it will extrude like this. Okay, so basically if you check, if I select this one, this is the normal of this face. If I select this, this is the normal of these two faces. But if I select these two, then you can see the normal of this one and this one, it will take, and it will take the average of both of that, and it will be like this. So you can see I can move it up. So this is called as extrude region. Now what is, let me do Control Z, extrude along normal. So if I click extrude along normal, what will happen? I just selected these 4. Okay, and if I take it up, you can see, so each faces, it will go on its own normals. Okay, in order to get the normals, what I can do, I can go to overlay here and I will bring this one, and if I want, I can increase the size of this normal. You can see each faces, it is extruding to its own normal direction. Okay, so this is called as extrude along normal. And we have extrude individual. What is that? So what I will do, I will select these 4. Okay, then I will extrude like this. At that time you can see it is extruded along the normal, but now each face, so I will select this face, and if I hit G, you can see each face is separate geometry. Each faces, it is not connected, it is disconnected. Okay, so this is called as extrude individual. Now what is extrude manifold? For that, what I am doing, I will come here and I will, let me do one thing. I will disable this normal for now, and I will hit Control R to add a edge loop. I will click and move the cursor here, then click again, Control R. I will click here, move it down, click again, left click. Okay, then I will hit 3 to go for face selection mode. Now I will select this face. Now you can see I will go to extrude region, then I will show what is the difference between manifold and region. So I will click this one and I will bring it up here. So you can see one extrude is done. If I take it again, you can see one more geometry is created. So it is created a new geometry. Again, if I take, it is creating a new. Now same thing, like if I go for manifold, it is like I will take this, I will bring it up here, and again I will bring it up. Now you can see it is not creating unnecessary loops, unnecessary edges. So it will avoid the unnecessary geometry and all. So this is the difference between manifold and region. There is one more thing called as extrude cursor. Before that, what I will do, I will go to select here and I will select this particular face and I will go to extrude cursor. Then if I click anywhere, it will extrude along the cursor. Okay, now in order to make use of this one, what I will do, I will Control Z and I will go to side view or front view. I will hit 1. Then if I click here, you can see it is creating geometry, okay, like this. So if you want to make it smaller, you can hit yes, then you can make it smaller. Then again if I click, it is going on that way. I will hit yes and make it smaller. Then if I click, it is going on this way. So this is how it is. So this is along cursor. Okay, now these are different extrudes. And there is one more thing. If you want to extrude without using this tool, what you can do, I will go to select box here and I will select this face. You just click E so that it will extrude like this. Okay, again E, so it will extrude. E. Then if you want to make it smaller, you can hit yes and make it smaller. Then again E. If you want to change the direction, then you can hit the direction like Y, so it will go on Y direction, or X, it will go on X, then Z, then on Z direction. So then you can click. Okay, so in this way you can extrude it using the shortcut. Okay, now there is one more thing, like this is not only for faces, you can extrude the edges as well. So I will go to edge, I will select this edge, and if I hit E, you can see I can extrude. E again, I can extrude, again extrude, E again extrude, like that. So you can do it for edges also. I will hit 2, then I will select this edge, then I will hit E, so you can see it is extruding. E again extruding. Okay, E again, then hit yes to make it smaller. So in this way you can do it. Okay, so this is all about extrude.